Welcome to the Clear Process Solutions WebTips. My name is Tim Dempsey and I'll be your presenter today. Our topic will be exploring the runtime management part 2. If you missed the part 1, it's available on our YouTube channel as well as our website. To get things started, we're going to recap part 1 and then dive into some of the topics for part 2. So a quick recap of part 1, we looked at the processes tab within runtime management, a high-level overview of the navigation and layout, and then we explored how to modify the form variable or a form value, as well as upgrading an existing process model to a new version. So for part 2, I have a bonus for you. We're going to go back to the processes and look how to change the flow of a workflow. So there are going to be cases where we upgrade our version and we want to send the request back a few steps. So we'll walk through how to do that. And then we'll finish up with looking at the tasks and notifications, the navigation, as well as how to reassign or cancel tasks, and then resend a notification. So here we are in our Work Center. We're in our Tasks tab, and we can see that I have my finalized tasks. This is the final step within the workflow. But I need to send this back or change the flow in the workflow so that I can add additional comments. So I've already pulled up for you this process within the Runtime Management underneath the Processes tab. I've upgraded the version to include a notification. We can see that it's in the finalized step. But the notification hasn't sent yet. So how to do this is there are 2 arrows at the top right called Change Flow. We select it. We're back to a process monitor view, and we can now point and click to where we would like to send this flow to. I'm actually going to send this back to the review step. And we'll click Apply. From here, the workflow will bring us back to a review task. An email notification will be sent out, and then a finalized task will be reassigned to us. So if I come over here to my Work Center, we can see this was once finalized, and now we have review. I'll go ahead and open this task. Update some of the notes. We'll click Submit. I'm going to head back over to our Manage tab. And now we can see review step completed as well, then the notification, and a decision back to the finalized step. So that was our bonus feature for today. Let's take a look at the tasks and notifications. We'll go ahead and search for our process. Here we can see our task form, the process of it, what was the activity name, some of the statuses of completed, canceled, and assigned to be worked on, who it was assigned to, and assignment dates and due dates. I can go over here and select review. I can also reassign this tasks. I could cancel it as well as mark it as complete. Now for our notifications, similar step. Search for our process model, search by all. And we can see a notification that was just sent out. You can select the drop down here, see additional information, who it was sent to, CC subject, if there were any attachments, as well as a snapshot of the body of the email. I can go ahead and select this notification. We can cancel it, but we can also resend. I'll go ahead and pull up the email. As you can see, I did receive the email from AgilePoint very quickly. And here are just some of the tools that we can do within our runtime management, from notifications to tasks and processes. Processes tab is going to be very helpful in maintaining and managing different requests at different times with different versions. From here, you can contact our team with the URLs below, as well as subscribe to our web tips for plenty more along the way. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to hearing from you.